What is going on YouTube? Hope you having a great week. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the best Nike promo codes in 2024. These Nike discount codes are definitely the best, as I just said, and these are going to save you at least $100 off your orders. You can also get 50% off your next Nike order, and this works worldwide, so you don't have to be in the US. You can be worldwide. It will just translate to your local currency, and it's going to save you a bunch. So let's get into it, guys. You need to pick up your mobile phone. You can do it on your computer, but it's just so much more simple on your mobile, and you're going to want to go to this website. So open up the internet, go to www.wavycoupons.com. Oops, make sure you do not type that. Go to Wavy Coupons, guys, and when you reach this website you basically need to navigate your way to the Nike page. So you can see at the top of the screen here there is a handy search function, so you just type in Nike and you need to find the Nike coupons and deals page. So click on see more, and this is the page you need to find. You can see this has been highly rated, but yeah, you can choose between a $100 Nike promo code and a 50% off promo code. Obviously each one will save you a bunch of money, so you've got to calculate which one is going to save you the most. So simply click on show coupon. I've chose in this case the $100 promo code. Now you need to unlock your code. You can see there is a bunch of stars here protecting the code. This prevents people from stealing all of the available codes from Wavy Coupons and limits one code per person. So you're going to need to unlock your code, which I know can be annoying, but I think 5 minutes of work to get a $100 promo code is well worth it, and there is no minimum spend either, so you can literally add like $105 to the basket, apply this code, and you're going to get 100 off. So all you're going to need to do, guys, is tap unlock code, and in a few seconds, I'm not going to do it, I've done this loads of times already, but you're going to see a new screen and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. You basically need to complete a couple of free tasks to verify you are a real person. Once you've done that, it will then reveal the full code. So it's pretty easy, guys, and it's well worth it. Yeah, you can save potentially even hundreds if you choose the 50% off code. So yeah, go to wavycoupons.com. Any questions, drop them below this video. Smash that like button if I help save you money, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy, guys. Peace.